welcome i ganolfan celfyddydau Pontio Art Centre.
Maes parcio Glanafon, opposite Pontio.
This way to the accessible parking.
Neu'r man gollwng, drop-off point.
Maes parcio hygyrch.
And this way to Pontio.
For those with more severe mobility issues, there are 3 bays located on the plaza next to the building. To access one of these spaces, please contact us.
Ni'n cyrraedd ar bws.
If arriving by bus, you can take a walk to Pontio through Parc y Coleg.
Sy'n dod â ni prif fynedfa, the main entrance.
Dyma lle celf. Within Pontio's public spaces, you'll find numerous artworks.
Chwilio am books? Check out the book timetables here.
Looking for tickets, dyma box office swyddog y cynnau.
Croeso i Pontio, sut allai helpu chdi? How can I help you?
Os oes gennych ofalwr oherwydd gofynion hygyrch, gallwch cael tocyn am ddim i'ch gofalwr ar gyfer sioeau neu ddangosiadau sinema.
Drws A, door A. Follow me.
Paid a'n cofio diod a snacks cyn mynd i'r cinema.
This cinema has audio description facilities. If you would like to use this service, please ask for a headset from the box office.
Mae'n digon i le i wheelchair users.
Hefyd, ceir dangosiadau hamddenol gyda'r is-deitlau yn y sinema. Bach o fideo yma.
Great, Phil. If door B is on your ticket, and then this is your entrance on level 1.
Drws nesa i drws B, mae yna mwy o toiledau.
That includes changing places toilet a toiledau i ddynion a phlant.
There are 2 ways to get to level 1.
Grisiau, stairs.
A lift. Hefyd a lewyn 1, mae bod T a P1. Door 3 a 4 theatre. Theatre, bid, Bell. You can buy or collect your tickets from the box office.
Drws 1 a 2 ar y llawr yma. Doors 1 and 2. Mwynhewch. Diolch. Dewch gyda ni.
Some shows include BSL interpretation, captions that may be in Welsh or English, and audio description.
All the world's a stage.
Mae yna lle I wheelchair users yn fama.
Ac ar y balcony ar lefel 1.
And there will be staff and volunteers here to welcome you.
That's on level 2. You can get here by stairs or by lift. Oh, my box gwyl. Studio.
When I finish school, hopefully, I get to go there. Prifysgol Bangor University. A pheidiwch am mynd adref heb ymweld â'r caffi.
The food here is delicious.